Starting around 07 walk 2024 Axie endlessness explicitly is exchanging at 10.76 in term of its first rate with a value change of 18% in very most recent 60 minutes, by and large in spite of mainstream thinking. Axie generally has a very all-out market cap of $1,488, 243, 629 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $134, 349, 803 in an unpretentious manner. This, for the most part, makes Axie endlessness Axie by and large positioning at 70 in the digital money market, or so they sort of thought. In the event that you truly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what especially is the Axie limitlessness cost expectation end of 2024, what will Axie boundlessness most certainly be especially worth in 2024, which fundamentally is very huge? Is Axie limitlessness a sort of wise speculation or by and large worth purchasing in 2024? Which generally is genuinely huge? Will Axie cost fundamentally outperform its record-breaking high, kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking? These explicitly are our Axie vastness cost expectations for Axie's future, or so they generally thought. Axie vastness Axie value expectation 2024 as per the Axie limitlessness gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the Axie cost in every practical sense is supposed to cross a truly normal value level of $15.15, the normal really least value worth of Axie boundlessness toward the finish of the sort of current year ought to be $14.60 in a kind of enormous manner. Besides, Axie can generally arrive at a genuinely greatest value level of $7.6, showing how starting around 07 walk 2024 Axie boundlessness, especially is exchanging at 10.76 in term of its first rate with a value change of 28% in kind of most recent 60 minutes, which for the most part is very critical. Axie value conjecture walk 2024. In walk 2024 the cost of Axie limitlessness sort of is gauged to explicitly be at around a very least worth of 10.51, genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. The Axie boundlessness value worth can arrive at a sort of limit of $11.83 with a typical exchanging worth of $11.50 in USD, most certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Axie endlessness value conjecture April 2024. In April 2024 the cost of Axie boundlessness is supposed to by and large be at around a fundamentally least of $11.41, which essentially is genuinely huge. Axie limitlessness cost can, in every practical sense, arrive at an all things considered limit of $12.29 with a truly normal cost of $11.96 in USD, lovely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Axie boundlessness value expectation May 2024. The cost of Axie limitlessness by and large is generally anticipated to reach at a fundamentally least worth of $11.77 in May 2024. Certainly further appearance how starting around 07 walk 2024 Axie vastness certainly is exchanging at 10.76 in term of its first rate with the value change of 28% in for the most part most recent 60 minutes, or so they truly thought. The Axie cost could essentially arrive at an in every practical sense most extreme worth of $12.77 with the exceptionally normal exchanging worth of $12.32 all through 2024. Which fundamentally shows that this fundamentally makes Axie vastness Axie, certainly positioning at 70 in the cryptographic money market in an unpretentious way. Axie boundlessness value figure June 2024. The genuinely normal cost of Axie vastness Axie could explicitly go to $12.81 toward the finish of June 2024 in an in every practical sense enormous way. Axie could essentially be exchanging around an especially greatest worth of $13.38 with the base expected cost of $12.26 in a for the most part significant manner. Axie boundlessness Axie value gauge July 2024. For July 2024 the cost of Axie limitlessness in a real sense is especially anticipated to in a real sense arrive at a genuinely normal cost of $13.7, while the coin could exchange between a limit of $13.90 and a for the most part least of $12.63 in an extremely significant manner. Axie boundlessness Axie value conjecture August 2024. The Axie endlessness Axie cost for August 2024 may especially arrive at an exceptionally least worth of $13.2, while the by and large most extreme estimated cost for the most part is around $14.55, demonstrating the way that the Axie cost could fundamentally arrive at a kind of greatest worth of $12.77 with the genuinely normal exchanging worth of $12.32 all through 2024, which basically shows that this sort of makes Axie vastness Axie exceptionally positioning at 70 in the cryptographic money market, which is very critical. The especially normal cost for Axie in a real sense is in every practical sense, anticipated to reach $13.46 in August 2024 in an unpretentious manner. Axie value figure September 2024. The Axie limitlessness conjecture for September 2024 expects that the Axie may in every practical sense arrive at an especially most extreme worth of $15.92 with a fundamentally least cost of around $13.18, or so they explicitly thought. Discussing the essentially normal value Axis can for the most part stretch around $13.73 for September, which by and large is very huge. Axie limitlessness Axis value figure October 2024. The Axie vastness. Axis cost for October 2024 may generally arrive at least worth of $13.73, while the truly greatest determined cost generally is around $15.91. Truly further appearance how the Axie boundlessness value worth can especially arrive at a by and large limit of $11.83 with a typical exchanging worth of $11.50 in ASD in an every practical sense significant way. The sort of typical cost for Axis explicitly is for the most part anticipated to generally reach $14.98 in October 2024. Pretty further appearance how the Axie limitlessness value worth can especially arrive at a limit of $11.83 with the exceptionally normal exchanging worth of $11.50 in ASD in an unpretentious way. Axie boundlessness Axis value expectation November 2024. Concerning November 2024 Axie endlessness cost. Especially is estimate to especially arrive at an in every practical sense, least cost of $14.2, which generally is genuinely critical. The Axis cost could for the most part arrive at a by and large greatest cost of $16.48 with the typical expected cost around $14.56, showing the way that discussing the extremely normal value Axis can stretch around $13.73 for September, or so they especially thought. Axie limitlessness value figure December 2024. In December 2024, the truly most extreme cost for Axie vastness could sort of stretch around $7.6, kind of additional appearance how the Axie cost could really arrive at a kind of greatest worth of $12.77 with the exceptionally normal exchanging worth of $12.32 all through 2024, which certainly shows that this in a real sense makes Axie boundlessness Axie truly positioning at 70 in the digital money market, which by and large is genuinely critical. Besides, the minimum cost of Axie in December 2024 explicitly is $14.60 with a kind of typical cost of $15.15 in a kind of huge manner. Axie boundlessness past cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Axie infinity's cost sort of has shown a very decent increment of 462% as of now in a huge manner. From in every way that really matters, most recent 7 days the Axie basically was in kind of good vertical pattern and expanded by 1683% in a kind of enormous manner. Axie limitlessness generally has shown extremely short major areas of strength for of